You can make $15 by listening to one song, and you can earn over $150 by listening to 10. Payments can be sent directly into your bank account. If you enjoy this video, let's get started by visiting the playlistpush.com. Playlist Push is a website where you can get paid to listen to songs on Spotify. However, there are requirements that you must meet in order to earn money from this. As you can see, in order to actually make money from this website, you must watch the entire video in order to qualify. Over 1,000 actual consumers worldwide have given Playlist Push over 4.3 stars out of 5 on Trustpilot, and as far as we know, as not all users leave reviews, Playlist Push is one of the most reliable and legitimate websites where you can get paid to listen to music. The second step in making money while listening to music is to visit this page. There, you can see that you can get paid to listen to and review music on playlistpush.com. If you enjoy any of the songs, you can consider adding them to a Spotify playlist. Might vary depending on a number of factors, such as your Spotify playlist, the songs, etc. The good news is that you can get paid straight into your bank account, so even if you don't have a PayPal account, you can still get paid every week from Playlist Push if you qualify for the earning money by listening to the songs. Here's how Playlist Push will pay you to listen to and review music. New and small independent musicians submit their songs for review on Playlist Push, and you, as the playlist curator, listen to and provide your candid feedback with them regarding the song, regardless of whether you think it's good or could have been better. You help new and upcoming artists by giving them feedback on their music, and for that exact reason, you get paid here to listen to music, review it, and add it to your Spotify playlist. In other words, you give them your honest feedback so that they can improve their current music songs, or they can make better music songs in the future. The artists pay Playlist Push for this valuable feedback, and the Playlist Push shares their revenue with you in the form of payment for each song you listen to, review, and add to your Spotify playlist. To sign up for the creator, simply move your mouse over the sign up button on the homepage and choose the option for Playlist Curator. From there, it will direct you to this page, where you will need to slightly scroll down and cross over to the section where it states, Become a Verified Playlist. Push Curator. Click this button to become a curator. Clicking that button will send you to the Playlist Push Curator sign-up page. The most crucial point is that you will find some requirements to join the Playlist Curator program here on this website. Firstly, you need to have a Spotify playlist, which is very simple to make. Secondly, you need to have at least 1,000 actual followers on your Spotify playlist. You must be the playlist's owner and manager, and it must be public rather than private. These terms and conditions for participating in the You can become a curator on playlistpush.com by clicking this. But before you do, make sure you meet our standards. Begin receiving $15 for each song you listen to, and since you have stayed, allow me to present the Happy Stacking sponsors of this video. I'll include a link to the Happy Stacking Games app in both the pinned remark and the video description. Happy Stacking is an application for earning games, where you can install this play to earn some additional cash while playing the game of stacking these colorful tiles on top of each other to create a lengthy tower. Simply click the link in the video's description or the pinned comment to get started. After installing the Earn Games app, this is how the Happy Stacking icon will appear on your device. Simply click on it to open the Play to Earn Games app to make money online. When you launch the Happy Stacking Games app for the first time, it will prompt you to enter the promo code to receive the sign-up bonus. You can use Happy as your promo code as you are seeing it on your screen right now, and then press the Go button to proceed. As you can see, we will be credited with 200,000 coins to our account as a sign-up bonus for free, which is really cool. At this point, you can see that we have a red tower right here as well as a red tile moving on. In the upper right corner, there is a chest that we must open in order to add more money to our account by using the Play to Earn Games app. As you can see, we are currently playing the first level of the game, and in order to open the chest and begin earning money, we must stack the 15 tiles. To begin playing, simply tap the screen to begin having the tiles stacked on the tower in the manner shown above. If you do not stack the tiles on top of each other, the level will fail. You must redo the same level, so let's go back to the game's initial level and begin stacking the tiles on top of one another. To finish the level of Happy Stacking Play to Earn Games app, you must successfully stack 15 tiles on top of this tower. Now that the first level of the Play to Earn Games app has been accomplished, let's continue stacking the tiles. And now that we are on the second level of the game, you can see that we have finished the first of the 3 levels that we must finish in order to unlock the chest and use it to earn money. Therefore, in order to play the second level, we still need to, as you can see, we have finished the second level of the game as well. We are now on the third level because the chest indicates that we have completed 2 of the 3 levels. To access the chest and earn money online, we must stack 15 tiles on this tower successfully in order to advance to the next level. Let's begin stacking the tiles one by one on this red tower as well. We simply need to tap on our screen in order to stack the tiles on the tower. Let's begin playing the game again by stacking these green tiles on the tower by simply tapping on each one. Once we've successfully stacked the 15 tiles on the tower, we've completed all 3 levels of the happy stacking game. To open our chest, simply click on it from the upper right corner. This will indicate that we have finished all 3 of the game's levels. Then, to open the chest, we simply need to press this take button right here. Let's click the take button here. An advertisement will appear, which we must watch for 15 to 20 seconds before we may close it. There, you can see that we have been credited with over 5,400 coins, which we can retrieve by simply pressing the take button once more. Press it to see that we have been credited with 5,400 coins in our happy stacking game account balance. To open our chest once more, we simply need to finish 3 more levels of the game in order to win an exciting quantity of coins to our accounts. Let's begin playing the level again by simply tapping on our screen at the appropriate time to successfully stack the 15 tiles on this blue tower. As you can see, we have finished this level as well. Now, we are playing the next level, which requires us to stack these red tiles on this towers. So, in the same way, we need to finish the remaining 2 levels of the Happy Stacking Play to Earn Games app in order to open the chest and win more coins from it. As you can see, I finished the final 3 levels of the Happy Stacking game, and now that the chest is open for us to open, let's do so. To open the chest, press the take button once more. We will then be shown another 15 to 20 seconds of AD, which we can close from there. And presto, we received another 5,000 coins credited to our account. Let's take advantage of this opportunity to win more coins. Earn Games app. So in a similar manner, after we finish 3 levels, a chest will become available for us to open in order to earn some extra coins online. So, just keep playing this happy stacking game and keep opening the chests from there in order to earn money online. Additionally, after finishing 6 or 8 levels, you'll be presented with a special offer menu option on the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it to see that you can earn $3 for making a TikTok video for the Happy Stacking app. By clicking the copy button below, you can copy the tags, and by clicking the TikTok icon, you can read all the guidelines on how to properly make a TikTok movie and obtain compensated for it. The demo video, which is available under the rules, will show you how to make a TikTok video and get paid $3 for it completely free. Now, let me finish up a few more levels so that I can show you my live withdrawal proof from this app. As you can see, I have almost 11 million coins in my account, which I can withdraw by clicking the setting gear icon on the left. To withdraw my earnings, all I have to do is click on this chest icon, which will only be available after finishing the game's 6 levels and after opening the 2 chests from here. Let's just open this chest from the settings, and you can see that we need 10 million coins to withdraw $10 from this page. Depending on how quickly you finish the game's levels, it could take 5 to 15 days to earn that amount. Once you do, you can withdraw your money via PayPal, Paytm, Chewy, or an 800 Roblox gift card. To obtain the Roblox gift card, simply click on it. You can use the 800 Roblox gift card code that you will receive in your email address by entering your email address in this box and pressing Next. However, since I prefer PayPal, I will simply select that option, enter my PayPal email in this box, and then press Next. My account will be credited in 5 to 6 days. I'll leave a link to the Happy Stacking Play to Earn Games app in the video description and pinned comment. You can install the app from there and start playing the game's different levels to earn some extra money online. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. As you can see, I've received $10 to my PayPal account from the Happy Stacking Play to Earn Games partner once again.